What did the British people use instead of Venmo before Venmo existed? In this video, we'll take a look at the history of Venmo in the UK and what people used before it came along. Venmo is a mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money to friends and family. It's a popular app, especially among young people. But Venmo didn't always exist. In fact, it wasn't until 2018 that Venmo became available in the UK. So what did people use before Venmo? There are a few different options that people used. One option was to use a bank transfer. This is a slow and cumbersome process, but it's free. Another option was to use a cash app. Cash apps are apps that allow you to send and receive money to friends and family. They're usually free to use, but there may be fees associated with withdrawing money. Another option that people used was to use a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service. P2P payment services are similar to cash apps, but they're often more secure and have more features. One popular P2P payment service in the UK is PayPal. PayPal has been around for a long time, and it's a well-established brand. So, what did the British people use instead of Venmo? They used a variety of options, including bank transfers, cash apps, and P2P payment services. Venmo is a relatively new service in the UK, but it has quickly become popular. It's a convenient and easy-to-use way to send and receive money. If you're looking for a way to send money to friends and family, Venmo is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the history of Venmo in the UK. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.